Okay, it is November 6th, Thursday. We just met, and I wanted to memorialize the changes I've made to the plan and share them with you. This area really hasn't changed. This is 12-inch, well, really 13-inch deep storage. This is, well, the storage is 12 inches, but the countertop's 13 inches deep. Then we have floating shelves. Pantry cabinet here. I've put roll-out trays, two of them, in this, behind these two doors. I would install a countertop inside these taller doors, and the idea would be to put a coffee machine, coffee maker, and a small microwave. And then there would be, I could probably put another rollout shelf here, but there would generally be adjustable shelves above the microwave. Cabinet over the refrigerator. There is a 3/4 inch panel that goes on the side of this refrigerator to give it a built-in look. You can see the crown molding. Got it going across the vent hood. Wall cabinet here with two doors. One door swings to the left. The other door swings to the right. Cabinet here with the two doors. Behind the two doors would be roll-out trays, two of them, and then a working drawer. This is a tray-based cabinet. You store the trays on a vertical. This is a 36 wide range. This cabinet here has a working drawer, and behind this door here would be two slide-out trays. They slide out. Wall cabinet here, base cabinet. This is a 30 wide base cabinet, so you can't fit the biggest sink in the world, but this cabinet here I might change depending on how wide you can make your window. Dishwasher, bank of 4 drawers, area for a beverage refrigerator. To finish the end is a base panel I have. Cabinet with glass doors, crown molding, whatnot, floating shelves, I should say, floating shelves. I do show underwall cabinet molding there. You can see it here, here, and I do have it here as well.